ahead. All right, so we're gonna put one press right here and one press right here, so we can uncrate them there and put the presses on this side. We just need some tools and whatnot. Right now, we've just opened a Riley Hopkins 250 6-color 4-station, and we're gonna uncrate this bad boy and start putting it together. I'm Steven with NorCal Screen Print Supply, and we are getting our classroom warehouse ready for our first class. In this room, we'll have a Riley Hopkins 250 6-color 4-station, a Riley Hopkins 300 6-color 4-station right here, and then we'll have a conveyor dryer. We have a little buddy right here made by BBC, and we'll have all of the flash dryers and everything we need for screen printing. So we're getting set up right now. This might be nails. So I still have like that little problem with as little as possible. All right guys, thanks for checking out the video. As you can see here, we got the Riley 300 6-color 4-station. Grambo is almost done putting this beast together. We got our little buddy right here, tiny but mighty, and we got our Riley 250. So with these tools, we're going to be able to effectively teach you how to screen print in our upcoming classes. Stay tuned, we'll be announcing the first class date soon, and check us out on social media and our website, norcalsps.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.